A few weeks ago, our in-house AI search agent powered by OpenAI felt unstoppable until the bill arrived. So we've hooked up our Web Scraper API instead. The result? Same real-time web data for pennies on the dollar and no context window limits cutting off answers. Stick around and I'll walk you through the exact setup that uses two powerful tools, OpenAI Agents SDK and Oxylabs Web Scraper API. In case you missed it, Agents SDK developed by OpenAI has been buzzing in tech circles lately. The SDK lets you build autonomous LLM-powered agents that can use tools, maintain memory, and complete complex tasks through multi-step reasoning. On top of that, OpenAI provides real-time monitoring and performance evaluation to track and improve your agents. In this tutorial, we'll build a basic AI agent that scrapes any provided web source using Oxylabs MCP server and answers a user's question. While you can call the API directly by using the function tool decorator, the MCP server provides a standardized framework for AI tools to access fresh web data. Hence, it works way faster and it's easier to implement. For this project, you'll need only two tools, Oxylabs Web Scraper API and OpenAI API. If you're new to Oxylabs, you can claim a free trial by registering on our dashboard. And if you don't want to use OpenAI models, make sure to utilize the Lite LLM extension and hook up any other supported LLM provider. Let's start off by installing the UV package that we'll use to communicate with the Oxylabs MCP server. You'll find the official installation guide in the video description below, as there are plenty of ways to install it. For instance, on macOS devices, you can use Homebrew with this simple command. Next, check whether UV was installed successfully. Here I can see the UV version printed out, meaning it's ready in my environment. After that, create a new Python project and install Agents SDK. To keep it more secure, create a .env file in your project's directory to store your Web Scraper API user credentials and OpenAI API key. You may also save the environment variables using a terminal or by simply specifying directly in code if you prefer to do so. Inside a new Python script file, import the necessary libraries as follows and then load the .env file. Next, create an asynchronous function and initialize an MCP server connection using an async context manager. The UVX command here is just a shortened alias for the UV run tool command. Make sure to add a timeout parameter to override the default 5-second timeout, ensuring the agent waits an appropriate time for the server's response. Let's keep it simple by creating a single AI agent that uses the MCP server tools to scrape the web and answer any question. Feel free to define as many specialized AI agents as you want to handle specific tasks, each configured with specific instructions and tools. We can finalize this script by making a very simple interactive command line interface for communicating with the agent. After running the agent, you can access the complete answer from the final output attribute. Let's execute the script and see how our agent works. The login information you see tells us that the agent called the MCP server and the server successfully processed the request. And here we have the agent's answer. Feel free to use this integration as a blueprint for building your own agentic workflows with cost-effective and real-time access to the web. Remember that you can try Web Scraper API at no cost by registering on the Oxylabs dashboard. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to see more content like this. Don't forget to join our Discord community if you want to connect with like-minded peers. Thanks for watching.